You got the munchies?
Nah, just thinking.
Thinking about some dank food?
Nah. You see that light?
Yeah, it's bright as hell.
Do you think it ever turns on, like, after we close the door?
Nah, fam.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Oh, damn. Stakeout style.
It's pretty dark so far.
Need a light?
Nah, I'm good for now. It's getting pretty cold in here.
Want a blanket?
Hey, man. Can I get that blanket now?
Oh, damn, you're still in there?
Please help.
Has the light turned on yet?
No. Can you help now?